I hate those moments where I'm watching Korean drama and the actor or actress starts eating Korean fried chicken. And the thing is, I have banchan near me. I just can't eat it because it's not zabiha. So today, watch me make my version of Korean fried chicken. Stay tuned. We're gonna start off with one whole chicken. I'm using baby chicken, and you're gonna add half a teaspoon of salt, and then I'm going to also grab black pepper, and that's also going to be 1/2 teaspoon. Then I'm going to grab half a lemon and I'm going to squeeze it well. After that, I'm going to grab my garlic paste, which is about 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste as well. Then I'm going to mix it in well, and then I'm going to marinate it overnight. But if you don't have time, you can also just marinate it for 30 minutes. Once I'm done marinating, I'm going to prepare the batter. Now I'm going to grab potato starch, which is 1/4 cup, and then I'm also going to grab all-purpose flour, which is also 1/4 of a cup. I'm then going to also add 1 egg. And then I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and then 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And then to make a more liquid consistency, I'm adding 1/3 cup of water. And then I'm going to mix everything well. I'm going to make sure it's forming a paste-like watery, thick consistency. And then I'm going to grab my marinated chicken, and then I'm going to place it one by one into my batter. The purpose of this is so that the batter is coated around my chicken and that I don't have to do it individually when I want to fry it. It's also just easier this way. The easier this is, the better it is, because you want to be organized when it comes to Korean fried chicken. I'm then going to create my sauce. You're then gonna see I'm going to grab 2 tablespoons of the fish sauce. And then I'm going to grab 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and then I'm going to add another teaspoon of garlic paste. The flavor that we're making is soy garlic. And then you're gonna see that I'm grabbing light soy sauce. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and then I'm going to grab my dark soy sauce, which is also 1 tablespoon. I'm then going to grab my oyster sauce, which I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of it. And then I'm going to add in my honey, and for my honey, I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of honey. You can adjust it according to your sweetness level, but this just mixes in better with the soy sauce. After that, I'm going to add sesame oil, and this is totally optional. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of it. I just really like the taste of sesame oil. And then I'm going to add 2 spoons or about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And the amount is also up to you. I'm then going to put that aside and then prepare my pan. On medium-high heat, which on a dial it would be about 6 from 1 through 10, I'm going to add vegetable oil to fill the pan. You'll see that the size of my pan is about 10 or 11 inches. Once the oil gets hot, I'm then going to add my chicken, and now I'm going to fry this for about 20 minutes. You're gonna see that once I do fry it for 20 minutes, I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes so then it can cool down. While it is cooling, make sure to put your heat down on low, extremely low, because you don't want to come back and add your second batch and then your chicken just gets burnt. Make sure to put it on low. It's very important.
For the second batch now, I'm going to let it fry for 15 minutes. And then once I do let it fry for 15 minutes, I'm going to cool it for 10 minutes and then I'm going to start working on my sauce.
So for the final touch now, which is basically adding the sauce, in a stainless steel pan, you're gonna see now I'm going to ready the sauce, and what I'm basically doing is adding 3 tablespoons of butter, and on medium-low heat actually I'm going to wait for the butter to melt, and then I'm going to add 3/4 of the sauce and leave about 1/4 cup of it because I want to add that later. One by one, you're gonna see me adding in the chicken because I want the sauce to coat in the chicken. Remember, this is a tedious process, and even though everything looks fast, it does take a little planning ahead to cool and wait and then fry again. Remember, with Korean fried chicken, the whole point of it is that it's double fried. Anyways, you're gonna see that I'm done adding my chicken, and then once I do, I'm going to toss it around the sauce, and it's going to be very quick. And then once I do, I'm gonna add the leftover sauce that I do have. As you can see, when I bring it closer, it's crispy and it's crunchy. Now, it's finally time to enjoy with some Korean drama.
We're finally back, and I know it was a tedious process of frying it once and then double frying it. It just kills me that it's double fried, but I don't even know why it does have to be so good. Anyways, I hope you guys end up making it yourself, and if you guys try a different flavor, let me know how you liked it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one, and make sure to like and subscribe.